Hey guys!
Yeah, you're acting all happy, but you're a little biatch.
Oh, you're so ugly. Ready? 3, 2. What up, condos? What the fuck? Just say the actual sentence.
Okay.
You're so annoying.
What
What
up,
up, condos? Yes. Nick, yes. Well, a kid that doesn't cooperate. Yes, that's the word. He's not cooperative. Anyway, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to be doing a little vlog. So it's actually not Easter for us yet. We're both Greek Orthodox, so Greek Easter is happening this weekend and today's Monday, so we're off to my Yiayias to do some Tsoureki Easter baking.
And Yaya is grandmother in Greek.
Yes.
Going to her grandmother's house, there's a tradition that Greeks do, which is like baking, and they bake like an Easter bread.
Yeah.
And it's called
Tsoureki.
Tsoureki.
Yeah. Thank you for clarifying that, Nick.
What? You weren't saying anything?
I said it.
No, you didn't.
Wait, there's people crossing the road. Be careful.
I've stopped.
Anyway.
You're just trying to say things to cover up your stupidness.
Anyway.
So we're going to bake Tsoureki, and we're going to show you the process.
Yeah, we're going to show you the process.
It's fun because the family's there and they're all like making it together, and we'll show you how to make a Greek bread
Tsoureki. So before we get started, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit that bell button, and when you comment done, you may get a post notification shout out. So we'll be doing a shout out at the end of this video. We'll do 2 today actually. So yes, make sure you do all those things if you want a shout out. Alright, off we go to Yiayias.
Okay, we have arrived.
So Nick doesn't know how to take a clear video, so
yes, I do.
Don't go so close to the face.
Why? You have a face of
pimples, right?
Gold. It's a gold face. It's a golden face.
It's a dishwasher.
Here we go.
Dishwasher?
Hello.
Hello.
Hey, how are you? No, I just said hello to him. Just for
Are you Nick?
Can I say? What do we got? Is this the preparation station?
Yeah, so there's butter, there's the instruction. This is the
This is the
what do you call that thing?
Ah, that's secret.
Secret.
That's all in Greek writing, so no one can read it anyway. Hey, yeah.
Yeah, it gets nervous. And this is yeast.
What is
and
that?
flour.
Interesting.
And then just wait.
Oh, we just tip the milk in this thing. Duff, are you going to do anything, or are you going to just be cool?
Pardon?
Some butter. Lots of butter. Okay, a lot of butter.
All of
it. Alright, this is oh wow. So what has happened here?
Can I eat the raw dough? I love eating raw dough.
No, I said no.
More mushrooms.
The gangster. Gangster babu.
Now the rice.
Yeah.
Who's the biggest gangster?
Okay, so we're transferring the dough into a bigger bowl so then it can go rise. Looks really
How long
yum.
does it rise for?
How long does it rise for?
Okay.
We check it all the
It
time.
depends.
There's
There's a technique.
I think there's signs. When a sign happens, then we know.
Then we know.
It's a sign from Jesus because it's Easter, and then we know that it's risen. Oh.
She uses the electric blanket to help it rise because it's quicker.
Now we're covering it because we can't let air in. Is this right?
Covering it to rise.
Oh, you cover it to rise. This is a 2-man job. It's very difficult.
The electric blanket.
Oh, the electric blanket.
And that's what she uses because of the temperature. The weather is a bit cool. That's it.
Oh, it's like a baby.
And look at that. This is the electric blanket. It helps it rise quicker. See, it keeps it warm.
3 layers. 3 layers. Nick, this is how you should tuck me in at night.
What?
So there you have it, the little baby dough, all nice and warm, so it can rise. And that's it, Nick, until we have to flat it. That simple.
Zuff apparently feels sick.
I am sick. I woke up with a headache this morning right here. And usually that means I'm Matyasmeni, which means in English that I have like the evil eye on me, like bad vibes.
Okay, we sound like complete freaks, but there's this thing where
actually,
there's this thing that only Yiayias knows how to do.
And
She does a little prayer, and you put oil into water, and the oil disappears if she is Matyasmeni. So let's see what happens here.
If I'm not Matyasmeni, the oil will just stay.
This is gonna be crazy.
I'm not. Turns out I'm just sick. No, I'm not.
No, she's sweet. That was a big anticlimax. So usually what would happen is that little oil drop legitimately disappears.
Yes.
So one day when we think SAPPH is again, we'll get it done again and show you guys what actually happens, because most people probably won't believe it now. But we'll show you. It's there.
Show us.
I'm showing. There you go. So you're fine. So you're just complaining for nothing.
No, I have a headache. It might be my sinus, and I feel nauseous. So it's
just because you're pregnant.
It's the baby. Yes, I feel like hot chips. I think that's what will make me better, to be honest. I'm eating it even though I'm not supposed to.
Okay, what we have here. The batter is ready. Is that what you call it? The batter? Dough.
Look at
the dough.
Look at it go.
Oh my god, what's happening? And this is what you do traditionally. You plait the dough.
That's it.
And then you can place an egg here.
Sometimes we put eggs.
Sometimes
this time we
egg
do
there.
it without eggs.
Yeah.
And next time θα βάλουμε και τα αυγά, ένα αυγό εκεί.
Yeah.
So, how's that?
I think that looks lovely.
That looks fab.
SAPPH, are you going to try one?
Yeah, but I want you to try one because I've tried one before.
What?
So I want you to go first. Nick's trying first.
Hello? Κάτσε να σου δείξω.
Are you ready, Nick?
It's a piece of cake, man.
The lighting here in your house is so good. Nick, are you ready?
Και το ξανακάνεις.
So Yiayias is giving you a demonstration now. You think you can do it, Nikki?
Yes.
Okay, you go, your turn.
Βγάλτε το, ξανακάνεις.
Well, it's all stuck. Oh, no.
Να πάρει άλλο παιδί μου.
Yeah,
Αυτό,
you do that one. Okay, Nick, go.
Αυτό.
You got this?
Yes.
Nick, it looks a bit like a knot.
Well, it's rolling. Just wait. Yes, it's sticking a little bit. SAPPH, are you...
Okay. Nick, do you remember the steps?
Yes.
That's it.
I feel like you're really enjoying this.
I was made for this stuff, mate. Do you understand? Wait.
Mum.
You see?
Yep, I can see it. Uh-huh. Yep.
Wait,
now,
where's this one go again?
In the middle?
in the middle? Ooh.
Like this.
Πιο κάτω.
No, Nick. Okay.
Flat.
Ready?
Ένα από εκεί. Τα άλλα από την άλλη. Έτσι τα μπερδέψαμε.
Nick, you
Not
have...
ruin it already?
Περίμενε.
You did. No, you have to do a plat. Put it...
Αυτό είναι
Yeah.
στη μέση. Α, πού ήτανε?
There.
Μέσα το βάζεις.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, good one, look.
Beautiful. Μπράβο, για στα κεράκια σου. Ναι, κλείστο. Α, να βάλω.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nick, how are you going?
Yeah.
How do you feel?
Wait, I'm concentrating.
Oh, it actually doesn't look half bad, but you know what's weird about yours? I'm going to say what's weird about yours? This little thing. The tick hanging
That's just
out.
to know that a boy's made it. Don't you understand?
Is that how we're going to know you
Yes,
made it?
that's how to know the difference between when the guy's made it and the girl's made
No,
it. See,
good.
look at this is the girl one.
Nick!
This is the guy one.
Nick, oh my god, people are going to actually think...
No,
Yeah.
it's true. It's Greek tradition.
Yeah, look what Nick did.
See?
Μπράβο Νικό μου, μπράβο λεβέντη μου.
And then you lift it. No, that's the boy bit.
Δεν φέδα γιατί θα κολλήσει.
Oh.
Θα το κάνουμε πιο
That's what
κοντά.
she
Look
said.
how
Δεν
good
θα
that is.
βάλουμε.
Woohoo! Is that the first time you've ever plated a tsoureki?
Lots of cheeky cooking
Look,
today.
yes.
Cool.
I think you did a pretty good job.
You actually did.
Bravo, Nicole. Very nice.
That actually looks pretty good, Nick. What the hell?
Alright.
Ένα μεγάλο και ένα
Are you going to do better than me?
Yep. Right, baking's just not my thing, I feel, with this. Okay.
Oh.
So you gotta like lift it up and...
You look good in the kitchen.
Do I? I feel like I look out of place.
Nice.
Yeah. Like...
Come on, up, roll it.
Like that?
Ναι. That's it. That's
No,
long
I
enough.
already got a feeling that mine's going to be better.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, oh yep.
Θες
Good.
αυτό?
It's a big arrow. Very good. Really?
Never mind.
Hang on, no, it's all good.
Το ξανακάνουμε αυτό.
No, it's okay. Okay, so we're gonna start again,
Yeah,
guys.
fixed it.
Yeah, I fixed it. Oh no. Oh no.
Ρόλε, ρόλε.
Roll it.
Roll it up.
I know, I
Not
just
too
not
hard.
like not too hard.
In the middle.
Go in the middle.
Then
Very
I
good.
First,
Right first.
this one. Then,
This in the middle.
in the middle.
Oh, it's off. This is looking terrible.
Nick! Mine's on a diet. Mine's a skinny one. No, you wait.
Yours is a little bit, it's got some,
It's alright, I'll fix it.
it's got problems.
No, look at this. This is actually turning out. Look.
Oh no, this section up the top is
I'm gonna
not very
fix
good.
it.
It's your turn.
There we go.
Oh, look at this. Look at mine. Wait. And look at yours.
Yours looks very perfect.
Just watch
What happened down here, though?
Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha.
It's a girl one.
Well, that's a funny looking girl one.
I don't understand. What did you do to yours?
I'm good with my hands, you see?
Hey, I did it.
Who do you reckon did better?
Yeah, you guys vote.
Όλα καλά είναι. Όταν θα ψηφίσουμε.
No, yeah, it's someone's better than the other one.
You guys can vote. Who do you think did a better job? Nick on the left,
No,
me
that's
on the right, and that's yours.
Come on. You tell as well.
Oh my god, look how big they've gotten. Look at these. They are amazing. How good do they smell though? So what have we sprinkled these on there? Is that slivered almonds and sugar? These are amazing.
I can't wait to eat one.
How good do they smell?
3 trays. Look at
Lovely.
this, and Nick, you can tell they're good ones because when it's got that pulling texture, see
Yeah.
this texture?
Which texture?
That's how you know it's a good tsoureki. See that, like, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we're gonna have to do the other.
So now we're gonna test them. We're gonna like rip one apart and we're gonna have some Nutella with it, and we're gonna test all our efforts.
Yeah.
Ready to cut it, Nikki?
Let's cut this.
Oh wait, this is yours. This is the one with the little dick. Can you see?
Yeah, is that mine?
Yeah, I actually think
Oh,
that
this is a beautiful one.
Wow, look how soft that is. Oh my god, that is so soft.
That's very soft.
It looks so good. Alright guys, so now we've got fresh butter. So we're going to put butter with some and Nutella, and we're going to enjoy. So soft and light. In Greek you would say ine alafri.
Yes.
Okay, this is how you really cut a tsoureki now.
Well, Captain Babu over here.
No, πρέπει να το πας back and forth γιατί έχει δοντάκια, έτσι.
Το κόβεις.
Ναι.
Nick's cutting techniques aren't quite there. They're perfectly alright, so I think we're going to leave this part of the vlog there. Oh, do you like it?
It smells nice.
Πολύ ωραίο.
You're gonna put some
He said he
butter.
loves it.
Oh,
I think Bubbles been on a cooking show before or something. Alright. Nick, you got a big piece there.
Whatever.
that's what I was given
Come on, help
by
yourself.
King.
By the king. What are you putting on it, Nick?
Ό,τι θέλεις.
What do you reckon?
Oh yeah, Nutella.
Look,
Alright.
and this is how you do it.
Oh, this is what Nick's
Nutella.
doing.
Alright?
Wow. Alright, so what do you rate the tsoureki?
It's actually the best one we've ever made.
It tastes so good.
Are you like the best one you've ever had? Bubble, is it the best one you've ever had?
Είναι πολύ ωραίο και πιο πολύ που είστε όλοι εδώ εσείς και μάθατε και του χρόνου θα τα κάνετε στο σπίτι σας. Εσύ δεν μας τα κάνεις.
Okay, we'll make it next time.
We'll give you the translation.
Yeah, how'd you go? You did the best Tsoureki.
Very nice. Very nice. I'm
So good,
happy
yeah.
to have you all here.
Alright.
I enjoyed that. Πολύ.
Thank you for letting us record it here.
Time.
Alright guys, we're gonna wrap this up. I did half butter and half Nutella. I have a Greek coffee, everyone's around, so we're gonna go enjoy some of this.
Cheers. 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 Cheers.
I'll do the post notifications shout out in the car ride home, and cheers to the Tsoureki. Woo! So guys, it was a little bit noisy at Yiayias. Everyone was there, everyone was eating. So we're gonna wrap up the vlog here, but we do have 2 post notification shout outs. Now, they're going to Alexia Grimmer and Annie Stammy. Thank you guys so much. So make sure everyone goes and checks them out. That's our little Easter baking Tsoureki vlog today. So we're gonna leave it here. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hit that bell button and comment done for a post notification shout out. And we'll see you here next time. Bye.
Bye y'all.